VMware Explore 2026 is less than a week away. If you're already registered, excellent. I'm excited to see you there. If you haven't registered, there's still time, but you might want to get on it. Let's talk about what to prioritize once you're there. First, sessions. Don't just browse the catalog. Build your schedule before you land. The sessions that matter to your work will fill up, and you don't want to be figuring it out in the hallway on Monday morning. Second, certifications. Explore is one of the best opportunities to get accelerated certs done in a focused environment. So if you've been putting one off, this is your chance. This is your time. This is your got to do it moment. Third, hands-on labs. Direct access to the technology you're running with the engineers who built it standing right there. That's not something you get on a Tuesday afternoon at your desk. And fourth, and I can't stress this one enough, leave room for the conversations. The hallway, the meals, the meetups, the party. Some of the most valuable things that will happen for you at Explore are not on the schedule. So plan your sessions, block your certs, hit the labs, and make time for the people. Make sure what happens in Vegas doesn't stay in Vegas. I'll see you there.